This is for you so that you can feel more comfortable, easing any discomfort and stress in your body. The more you do this, the better you'll feel as this experience becomes integrated within you as part of your natural coping skills, creating your own special comfort zone. Good. Allow yourself to settle in, becoming more and more comfortable. As you let go, release your breath. Notice your eyes wanting to close. Allow that to happen effortlessly, and you'll find it even easier to track the sensations shifting and changing in your body. It's different each time you do this. Be curious and notice these changes. What you need, what occurs. Notice the pattern as you attune yourself into yourself, knowing your body even better and better. Now, take a deep belly breath, allowing your belly to fill up. And as you breathe out, feel a lovely release in your body. Take another deep, full breath. And as you release it again, continue to do this breathing throughout the session naturally, easily, automatically, as each breath takes you into a calmer, more peaceful place in your inner world. Breathing in through your nose slowly, as if you're breathing in through a straw. Notice how your breath softens and stretches, shifts, creating space within you, feeling good. And then as you breathe out through your nose or your mouth, notice the release of many things. Tightness, tension, fatigue, worry, pain, stiffness softening. Breathing in again naturally, easily filling your belly, body and being. That's it. Now, as you release, allow even more of that negative stuff to go, so that you feel more in the flow, feeling flexible, easier. Good. And now with your next deep breath in, notice how you're already traveling within your mind, your imagination, and go. That's it. Continuing these deep breaths as you travel. And as you do that, you're on your way to your comfort zone, the place where everything is cool, comfortable, and easy. So easy that everything eases into comfort, that zone that becomes more and more your place of comfort the more you come here. It can be a place you know well, a favorite place, familiar with familiar sounds, sights, smells, feel, tastes, where everything is so, so comfortable that nothing bothers you. Or it can be within your body, an inner zone of comfort, where as you enter your zone, the pain begins to dissipate. Stress dissolves in the atmosphere of comfort, where only well-being happens, your well-being, being well in your being, so that your body's natural capacity can be optimized, regaining, re-energizing, rebalancing and restoring you to feel much better, feeling good again. Settle in even deeper into your comfort zone with each release breath. And notice as you settle in further, your sensations continue to shift, dissolving aches, softening soreness and alleviating stiffness automatically. If you need to, begin now to turn down the switch on the pain, so that there's less and less of the pain. Turning it down, it gets dimmer and dimmer, bothering you less and less. How good that can be. Whatever used to bother you begins to fade, and it's all getting easier and easier. It's good to know that you have this zone, can turn down the pain in your zone, your comfort zone, and that you can experience these changes. As you go further, even further, feel the well-being within your body growing stronger. And be aware, be curious how this all can happen on its own, automatically. So interesting to track the comfort growing as you let go. Maybe even drift effortlessly, floating, feeling the growing well-being becoming stronger and stronger, giving you energy, easy energy, restoring energy. Now that you're in this place, this space, your comfort zone, let me remind you of something so important. You know your body better than anyone. You know what's happening and needs to happen. And importantly, you know what helps and how to allow this comfort to expand in your life so that your well-being, comfort, confidence, and ease becomes more of a central part of your life. What used to bother you bothers you less and even less. This growing comfort expands automatically, streaming into your joints, and the pain shrinks as the comfort takes over, streaming relief, looseness, and even more release. So good to know that this can happen more and more. The stress goes. So good to enjoy this. Your space, your place, your comfort zone. Knowing this makes all the difference, and becoming even more familiar, easier and easier. Luckily, you have it with you all the time, anytime, with a release breath. Any deep belly breath, it happens automatically, naturally, so good that you can go with it, this flow into comfort and well-being. Track your body sensations as they ease, soften, and dissolve. The more you do it, the better it feels and the stronger it gets. So good to know and go with it. Good. That's it. Now that you have this all and have experienced it so, know that you can return to this place, your space, familiar and comfortable, whenever you need to ease and shed any stress or pain, easily and effortlessly. You can use this automatically, travel in by yourself. It's yours. Feel your comfort. And now, bring that comfort and ease back with you as you gradually, effortlessly reorient and realert to the sounds around you. And when you are ready, open your eyes and notice the difference. Good.